Hi, I'm Dan with GripEdge Tools. Today I'd like to show you a little demonstration on why RPT rounding prevention technology from GripEdge Tools is the tool to reach for the first time, every time, to prevent that damage from happening in the first place. Over here in the bench vise, I've got a neat little demo set up. Let's get on over here and have a look. All right, guys, we're over here at the bench vise, and here's what we've got. I've got a knuckle caliper rotor assembly out of the junkyard. And I've got a speed sensor here. Now, you guys that do this stuff for a living know that this kind of a simple job can turn into a nightmare if you go to take out that hex head and it rounds out, or it's already been rounded out by somebody else who was there before you. We're going to go ahead and remove the bolt. And I want you to notice as I start to apply torque and turn on that, it pulls the pressure inward rather than pushing to the outside corners. That's where the rounding prevention comes in. Guys, stop the problem from happening before it happens. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tighten that bolt back down. Snug it down really good. You know, it's awfully hard for me to show you on camera how it prevents rounding as it pulls that pressure inward. But you know, you can put up to 40% more torque on a good bolt with no damage whatsoever than a conventional hex tool will allow. And that is significant. That can be the difference between success and failure. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get a little bit crazy, because the RPT technology, the way that it engages the inside of that fastener and pulls that pressure inward, we're able to put up to 400% more torque on a damaged fastener. When no other tool has a chance of getting it out, RPT can be your best fighting chance. So what I'm going to do is, after I've already tightened that down, I'm going to take a drill bit. There we go. Now I've got a standard regular 5mm, which is what the size is of this bolt. And we're going to put that 5mm on there. And look at that. We're just going to round that right on out. I'm going to go forwards and backwards. I have absolutely drilled out that bolt to where that tool does not have any chance of getting it out. All right, it looks like we've got the RPT bit down in the fastener real good. Let's see if we can get her out. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. Out she comes. Beautiful. You can put up to 40% more torque on an undamaged fastener with RPT versus a conventional tool, but you can put up to 400% more torque on a damaged fastener. RPT from GripEdge Tools, it's the truth. It's all about the grip. Thanks very much.